Hi everyone, I'm Komal. Thank you for being here. I'm very nervous because this is my first video and I hope you guys will like it, or I don't know, but this is my first video and I'm very nervous. But still, let's see what happens. And I'm here today to share you my story, my experience with schizophrenia. So, before anything else, I want to say this is a safe space, a space for understanding, healing, and honesty. Well, I'm currently learning counseling psychology, and a part of that journey is learning to understand myself better, including my experiences with schizophrenia. So, let's know what schizophrenia actually is. Before I talk about my journey, I want to explain schizophrenia in simple words. मतलब it's a vast concept, but छोटे शब्दों में if I can explain it to you, I'll do my best. So schizophrenia, first of all, is a mental health condition that affects thoughts, emotions, and perception of reality. It can also include hallucinations, delusions, unorganized thoughts, and sometimes withdrawal of difficulty expressing emotions. But here's the truth people don't hear enough. Schizophrenia is treatable. Schizophrenia is treatable. People can live meaningful, productive lives with the right support. All they need is right support. Well, मैं क्यों शेयर कर रही हूँ आपके साथ ये? Why am I sharing this? Is because I'm not here to teach you from a textbook or something else. So, जानते हैं कि मुझे कब से ये प्रॉब्लम है. It has been 2 years now, and 2 साल पहले मुझे ये डिटेक्ट हुआ था, and it came like it didn't come with any warnings. It came quietly as moments where I felt disconnected or thoughts that ran faster than I could catch. There were days of fear and days where the world felt too overwhelming. But there were also moments of clarity, moments of strength, and I didn't know I had. I learned that I am not my symptoms. I'm a person, a whole person who deserves empathy, understanding, and dignity. Well, जब मुझे डिटेक्ट हुआ तो इट केम एज अ शॉक ओनली बिकॉज धीरे धीरे आई स्टार्टेड hallucinating. I used to see people who are not real. I used to hear voices like only me, and nobody else could actually hear them. And for a while, I was so lost. I thought that I'm in some other world. Like किसी और ही दुनिया में मेरी दुनिया चल रही है, और मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि मतलब आई यूज टू टेल माई मॉम, आई यूज टू टेल माई डैड कि देखो वहाँ पे एक आदमी है, ही इज़ वेरी क्रीपी, ही इज़ कंटिन्यूसली स्टेयरिंग एट मी एंड ऑल दैट, बट उनको वो दिखता नहीं था. एंड देन दे थॉट दैट समथिंग्स रॉन्ग विथ मी, सो दे टुक मी टू अ साइकेट्रिस्ट. वहाँ पे ही डायग्नोज्ड मी विथ स्किज़ोफ्रेनिया. हाउ आई एम हीलिंग एंड ग्रोइंग today with treatment, grounding practices, and a routine that supports me. I'm living, growing, and finding balance. Studying counseling psychology has been a blessing to me. It helps me understand my mind with kindness, not judgment. It helps me see mental health through a human lens, a lens of empathy and acceptance, not fear. So, I'm healing day by day. I'm on my medication still. It's I mean, sometimes it's a really sometimes it's really hard for me to cope up with my days. Well, sometimes I open my eyes and I feel like, why am I even waking up? But I have to be strong, I know. And few weeks back, I guess, I started hallucinating again. I was hallucinating this person who was like, okay, I'll give you a, आपको मैं एक बताती हूँ कि कैसे मुझे क्या चीज़ें मुझे दिखती है एग्जैक्टली, कैसे सब दिखता है. सो देयर इज़ दिस पर्सन, मैन, जिसके आईब्रोज नहीं है और उसकी बड़ी बड़ी आँखें हैं, and he keeps staring at me like this, and it's really creepy. It's really hard for me to cope up with that, and I'm always scared that like he's standing there with a knife. So I'm always scared that he'll come and stab me. So I'm always looking for my mother or someone who will come sit with me, who will look after me, because I'm very scared at that moment. But I was hallucinating a few weeks back. My doctor, my psychiatrist, he changed the dose, and now I'm much better. So this is how my life is going on. Like I'm living with schizophrenia, so it's a bit hard to live with. Like sometimes I'm not able to focus on my studies, my work, or anything like that. But I'm still fighting, and I will fight. And well, that's it for today. Thank you for listening to my story. This if this video has helped you, or if you know someone who might benefit from it, please share it, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It will really encourage me to create more videos or more content. And I'm here to just tell all of those people that you are not alone. You're always welcome to this safe space. This space is for you, and I'll always be happy to help anyone who's going through this. So I'll keep updating about my illness and my life. Till then, thank you so much for listening to my story. Thank you so much for being here, and we'll see you on the next video.